Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do my 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have question Leetcode 48 and rotate image. So you're given an n time n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90 degrees clockwise. So you have to rotate the image in place, which means that you have to modify the input 2D array. Input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another memory. And that's the problem. And the example right here, we see 1, 2, 3, 4 to 9, and we just rotate this row become a column in here. Row become a column in here. Row becoming column in here. So it's at 90 degree. And for this question, here's another example. We can use the pen in here to draw this out. First, now there's two steps to move from here to here. That two step to build this 90% degree rotation. So first we can switch this row by switching left and right. So now it's 3 here, 6, 9, 2, 5, 8, and then 1, 4, 7. So by switching the column, you see this is the new order. In this new order, you can anti-diagonal to switch 2 and 4 and become this order. 3 and 7 become this order. 6 and 8 reverse in this order. And this diagonal line, anti-diagonal line, will not change because it will just changing to itself. So after this two step, and it turned to a 90 degree look. So that's basically the idea of this question. But I believe there's a multiple way to do this. You can take a look at the discussion right here. But now I introduce this way. First, since we cannot use extra memory, then we just do everything in the original matrix. And here's void, then we don't need to return anything. And we started with the matrix lane. Matrix. Because we need to use it. Let's make some pseudocode. We will first flip. We do the left and right flip. And what it means is I equal to 0, I less than n. J is equal to 0. And now it's the tricky part. J is less than matrix lane, which is, I think they are the same. So n times n. So will be n divided by 2. So we can have pointer here. And if this pointer switches to the last one, if we move forward, and then this will count backward. So we only need one counter in here, one pointer in here, until we go to the middle part. You can see this example. Now we are pointing to 5, and we switch to link minus 0, minus 1. Here increment by 1, they will count backward incremented by 1 too. So they will switch this two row. J is plus plus. And we'll keep in terms equal to matrix ij and matrix matrix I j equal to matrix same row, and we'll have n's the length -1 minus I minus j, sorry. So matrix I n -1 minus j will equal to temp. So basically switching this and this. And we loop through the whole entire row, column, and then that will be it. And this will first switch. After this loop, sorry, after this 2 double for loop, and we turn to this state right here, the red state. But now we have to do the second flip by anti good no for this is another thing that we need to be careful. So in this case, we have 321 654 987. In this case, we only need to operate this 3 number. You can flip this number and then find the opposite number, which is here. Flip this number to the opposite number 7. Flip this number and 8. And this number you don't need to operate. And you shouldn't go more than that, because if you go to 8 and flip it back to the opposite number, then that means do nothing. What we can do is just operate, go through this corner right here. Let me draw it. This is what we need to operate. Then, so I is 0, and we don't go more than that. So I is less than n minus 1. And so right here, and -1 is the one before that. So we only need to loop that much row, I plus plus. And how many column we need to do? So we start with 0, and then j is less than n for sure, -1, which is the last one, and minus I. Okay. So if this increment by 1, the boundary will reduce 1 by 1 based on this logic. You can see the pattern right here. So j is equal to this, and j also plus plus. So now we only loop through this area. What we can do is also having in temp equal to matrix I j and matrix. Now we have to look at the opposite side. You can see this 3 is corresponding with 7, which is n minus 1 minus j. And let me copy this one. N minus 1 minus I will be equal to temp. Oh, wait. Matrix equal to this. And this thing to temp. So basically switching these two places. The corresponding is n minus j, n minus 1 minus j, and the column will be n minus 1 minus I. So that's it for this rotation. And after that, it should be it, because you don't need to return anything. We first do this one. We can have we can run the code. Sometimes we do this. Oh wait, where is it? So now you can see if you want to check this code, and it looks like this. So this stage is here, right here. So you can double check if this code is right. Also, you can replace this one to the beginning one and see, double check if you're doing the right things. Because sometimes you might have some error between the upper code and lower code. It's hard to debug. Let's see. 18 right here. Okay, that's it. Submit it. Yeah, that's it for this question. If you have any question, please comment it below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.